We got a high wind warning.
High wind warning in effect from 6 p.m. Tuesday to 6 a.m. Wednesday.
High wind warning for my area.
Southeast winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected.
Got a high wind warning.
Where? Staten Island, Brooklyn.
High wind
Northwest
warning for
Suffolk,
my area,
Northeast
guys.
Suffolk, Southwest Suffolk, Southeast Suffolk, Northern Queens,
why
Northern
you doing
Nassau,
lost?
Southern Queens, and Southern
for
Nassau
you.
counties.
Yo, we got a high wind warning for my area.
6 a.m. Wednesday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees.
Let's
and
go.
power
We got a
lines.
high wind warning.
Widespread power outages are expected.
Yeah,
Travel
baby.
will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution
Yo,
if
baby,
you
they
must
issued a
drive.
high wind warning. Yeah, they issued a high wind warning.
Here are the current conditions.